The 2015 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.